Welcome back, traders. Let's get into a few more trades here to review. We have 3 today. So this first one here, I'm going to show you is a B setup. You can see I was at the top of the range there, had an opportunity to see it reject, and you can actually see my 3x ATR coming off of the bullish side up here. So this bullish entry that I missed took the bounce back off of it. Again, this is my B setup account. If you remember from the previous couple of days, I wasn't able to do very well in that account. So I wished I could have held on to this one a little bit longer. I just don't love the hesitancy of my B setups. I get lack of confidence, and I'd rather see me take a little bit of profit than let it turn against me. This one I obviously could have taken to the bottom of the range, and I wouldn't have predicted that. This one also works in my favor, this second one. So I think I tapped that one around $120 profit. I think it ends up being about 106 overall net difference with my, with my lock costs. So this one keeps moving pretty well. Close it there. And again, just because I just want to take my profits. Build this account back up. You'll also notice that I was only playing with 6 slots there. I think it's important when you're trying to recover an account that you don't add extra lots to it. So this is a tougher one. This is an A+ setup that I was looking for. You can see I've gotten some false triggers, maybe not quite false triggers as far as A setups, but I am getting bullish divergence here. It looks like it wants to turn around, but crucially, I am entering here with a couple of missing rules. The biggest one, I don't let that close above the 9 EMA. I get my A indicator because I got the bullish divergence. I've had several previously, so I should know there's some hesitancy here, and I think that's why I actually decided to enter, thinking that I could get one of these big jumps up like the previous A indicators have given me. Didn't, got stopped out. Let's get into accountability, my favorite part. Here we are in TradeZella. I'll go ahead and turn off the A setups, but show you what this looks like right now. So let's get A setups turned off. We're going to go down to my B setups. I had 2 trades, right? Both winners. Again, I kept them short. I didn't let them pull against me. Now, I know those are quick scalps, but I'll take a quick scalp for the tune of $200 all day. $83 on that first one, 106 on this second one. No notes from TradeZella there. It's probably a little bit quick for it to react to. Then we had the A setup, and sadly, that just didn't go my way. I called out some of the mistakes that I made there, though. I think it's important that you know this was not an A setup. It didn't close above the 9 EMA. I didn't have my 1, 2, 3 ramp up on that long, and so I took a $140 loss there. I especially hate when I break rules on an A setup. That should never happen. An A setup is an A setup. You don't try to force an A setup. It's a calm approach. It's a confident approach. So deep drawdown day. Most time spent over 50% of their time in the red. Yeah, that one hurts on my A setups. So still have a decent profit factor here on my A setup. We'll continue on with the rest of the challenge tomorrow.